welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Out for a quick ride on this Sunday morning, almost afternoon. Just wanted to do a little vlog, little video, let you know what's going on. So I thought I'd have a really summer full of riding, but here it is, almost October, and whoa, shooting, going by, I found a shooting range here, might have to come back there. So almost October, haven't done nearly the riding I wanted to this year. I wanted to get a lot more riding in with my cousin this year, and I think I've only went out with him once. Work's been so busy, things are crazy. And now, of course, that the weather's going to be getting cold and, you know, stuff like that, work will probably slow down and I'll be stuck sitting in the house all winter. But the good news is I'm working on my garage, trying to get that all set up so I could work on my bikes, or if I find another little project to do. Right now I've been in there any free minute I have at night. If I have, you know, 15 minutes, half hour, I've been going in there trying to get the toolbox done. My father and grandfather had tons of tools, so I'm trying to clean them up, sort them out, reorganize the box. I'm getting there. When that's done, I actually have I bought a couple of helmet hangers to hang my helmets up in the garage. So I'll be doing videos on those when I put them up. I'm gonna have to paint the garage. Definitely gonna do the walls, get them done. The floor, I'm up in the air whether or not I'm going to do that right now or wait a bit. They're still doing construction in the complex, still building condos, and there is red dirt like all over the place. Is this stop sign for me? Yes, it is. So that dirt comes in. I'm actually going to take a left here for a minute. I want to check this out. I'm just out exploring. I only have like an hour or two to ride today, so I'm just out exploring. But look at that. Oh man, I'm loving it up here. I wish I'd have got out more, but need money to live, so when the overtime's there, I gotta take it. Check this out. This is pretty cool. Look at all black cows. I think they're cows, unless they're bulls. I'm not Farmer Carl here. Check them out. Look at the little ones. Pretty cool. You don't see that where I used to live. Actually gonna flip around to get back on course here the way I was going. That's an area that my wife would think was pretty cool. She doesn't ride with me. She doesn't like to go on the bikes, so I'll have to see where we are, bring her back here. She'll think the cows are really cool. Yeah, so it's been busy, but I really feel bad because I keep telling my cousin, oh yeah, you know, we'll go riding, but you work 6 days a week, the 7th day off, maybe you'll get an hour to ride, but because I gotta go grocery shopping, do all kinds of stuff. You know, you got to get your other stuff done on your day off. So shout out to him. Hopefully maybe we get one ride in again before the end of this season. And next year, hopefully, I get everything straightened away and I can ride more. Alright, so yeah, I'd like to spend more time with my son too, but you know, he's starting out his own life now, gonna be getting married and doing all of that stuff. He just finished school, starting a job, just like the song Cats in the Cradle. When he had time to hang out with me, I didn't have time because I was working, and now I'm starting to, you know, be around, and I want to hang out with him a little bit, and he's not around, so it's a circle. Alright, so the next video will be in the garage. I don't know if it'll be the helmet hangers, update on the tools I'm sorting out, show you my toolbox. Like I said, there's some tools in there. I don't know what they are. I'm going to do a video. Can you identify these tools? Alright, so until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.